colors. Same as this one. Love it. Beautiful. Isn't it? And another one. Yeah. Beautiful. Flowers. Beautiful flower arrangement. Okay. Now here's more. Beautiful. Here. Look at the color. Nice combination. When you look at that. Very nice. Absolutely beautiful.